How to mirror text in Microsoft Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can mirror text in your Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let us begin. First, what you'll have to do is you'll have to insert a text box. To do that, simply open up your Microsoft Word first, go to Insert. After you go to Insert, you will see Text Box. Tap on Text Box and insert a simple text box. Now here you can write whatever you want. Let me just type in simple hello, how are you? So after you've typed whatever you want in, you can simply change the font, do whatever you want with it. Go back to insert again, select your text box. After you do that, you will get redirected to shape format. You will see on the top. Go to Word Art Style. After you're there, you'll see 3D rotation. Go to the x-axis and type in 180 degree. After you type in 180 degree, you will see that it has been mirrored, and it's basically that. Yeah, that is how you do it, guys. It's that simple. Now you can change your text fills here, give it no solid. Let me select that again, give it no fill. Let me get this solid fill. For the gradient, you can change the size. You can change the colors. You can do whatever you want with it. And yeah, that is basically how you mirror text in your Microsoft Word. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.